In this video, I'll show you how to easily add weather information to your phone's lock screen. Be sure to wait until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification center, which resembles the lock screen. Next, long press on an empty area to activate the editing mode. Once you are in the mode, tap on the button at the bottom and select lock screen. This will take you to the lock screen editor. Here, in the widgets area, you can add various widgets. Just tap on the section, then scroll down until you found the weather widgets. You can choose one or several widgets. For now, I'll select this one. When you tap on a widget, it will be immediately added to the area. You can repeat this process to add more widgets as needed. Once you are done, just close the editor. To apply your change, tap Done. And that's how your lock screen will look now. If you found this video helpful, please give it some up.